What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you my new speaker my parents brought me, so I'm going to unbox it. Stay tuned. I'm going to unbox it. This is how it look. This is how big the box look. I don't know if you guys should see. And on this side it shows different view of the speaker. I like this one, so I'm going to open it for you guys. Let me get this piece of tape off. Alright. I'm going to open it from the tape. Guys, I don't like boxes because you gotta open it from the tape. Actually, that's how it's supposed to go, but it takes forever to open. Let me see what is that. Hold on, guys. Stay tuned. I'm trying. Ouch! Hurt my finger. Gotta be careful with this. Oh, this, I ain't know what it was.
On your phone, that's the thing.
Oh. Trying to open it.
I'm about to see how to keep your phone.
Dad, I hate this tape because you gotta take forever with it. Okay. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna show you my speaker my parents brought me. Too much tape going on. No offense, you got crunch on my video. Crunching on my video. I need that scissors. Basically, just rip it open. You got more light in there? You got more light? Alright, guys. So I'm unboxing my new speaker, so I gotta turn the box this way. Let's see what. Whoa. Huh?
It come with a remote.
Oh yeah. The other one didn't come with it. Ooh. Like that. So this one will be better than the first one. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to lay this down like Lloyd. First, I gotta get the remote control out. See, it came with a remote, guys. I'm gonna show you guys the remote for this radio. And
Yours come with a radio too.
oh, ooh,
You know that speaker got a radio on.
I didn't know that. And just the instructions, I guess, for the radio. And next, I gotta get. Okay, hold on. What's this? Gotta be careful with this. I guess the wire. And I got the wires. I guess that's an adapter. Ooh, what's this? Ain't this come with screws?
Well, it might be the same.
Yeah, I got this come with this. Just gonna rip this part open. So yeah, guys, this is my new speaker. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is a speaker. So yeah, guys, that's my new speaker opening. If you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and see you in the next video. Peace out.